So, kanin siya sa akin. Ano this one? Yan lang yung president. Happy birthday, sir. Dear Sir Lee, may your birthday be joyful with your loved ones by your side. I hope your wishes will come true. We are very grateful to have you as our English teacher. Ay, English teacher na ito. English teacher na ito. Abi ba kung kuhaan lang. Puros na ginoan. We hope nga ikaw gihapon ang imong English teacher i-grade na hopefully. Take care always, sir. I wish you and your family to have a good health and a healthy relationship with them. I hope you know that you teach so well, sir. So for the year, kaya ka mo discuss. Ang sabi na, hindi ko kaya imagine ang so for demure. Ang sabi na, nagwaya na wana. I know, maybe ka lang kalma sa kayo. I don't know. Hindi ko kaya imagine say nagway na ako ng so for demure kay ka mo discuss. We love you so much, Sir Lee. More birthdays to come. Yes. Ampo mo nga. Kamabot ba dito na? Sana. Hi, sir. Happy birthday. Thank you for teaching us. Although you're so noisy, you're still so patient with us. Your kindness toward us will forever stay in our heart. As a grade 8 student, I had learned a lot of things because of you, Sir Lee. Like, I'm not even lying. My grammar and vocabulary improve because of your way of teaching. Sir, I hope you will have a joyful day today, sir. Continue being kind and lively, sir. Once again, happy birthday, sir. Okay, thank you for doing your part as well in learning. This one. Paper na. Happy birthday, Sir Lee. Sir, I am glad that you are our teacher in English. Thank you for being part of our grade 8 journey. I pray to God that He will grant the desires of your heart and give you a long and happy life. I hope you will continue inspiring others. We'll always cherish our memories together. Enjoy your day, sir. Once again, happy birthday, Sir Lee. Best wishes. Pasensya. Thank you. This one. Dear Sir Lee, I hope you get a wonderful happy birthday and many birthdays to come. I wish that your wishes in life come true. Wish you get a good health and happy life and a wonderful happy family supporting you. Wish you a good happy birthday, sir. From your student, Deloria to Sir Lee. Wish you a good happy birthday. Thank you. Drink na napoy na cake ya. Happy birthday, Sir Lee. Hello, Sir Lee. I want to say happy birthday to you, sir. I wish you, sir, a good health and more birthdays to come, sir. Thank you for teaching and discipline us, sir. And sir, you're the best English teacher. Okay. As you continue your studies along the way, you meet better English teacher than me. For as of now, okay, I'll take it. I'm the best teacher. I am your best English teacher. Pero, napa na mas maaya pa dyan. Thank you for teaching discipline us, sir. Sir, you're the best English teacher. And sir, don't forget me, Sir Lee, and thank you, sir. Yes, si Nolan yun eh. Akong top fan sa Facebook siguro. Si Nolan. Yes, we're down to 2. Baka na lang. Parang iba sa tanan. Happy birthday, Sir Lee. Have you enjoy your day, sir. Wishing you more birthday comes, sir. I pray that God will give you a health, strength, and every single day, sir. I pray that God will provide you and your family your needs every day. God bless you, sir. And thank you for being a good teacher to us, sir. I hope many people will see your kindness and your handsome face. Your kindness on your handsome face. Once again, we're down to the last one. This is the last one. This is the last one. Last one. And I think maabot na siya mga 10 sentences. Happy birthday, Sir Lee. Cheers to another amazing year to you, sir. I know this is not